Hi, Sam Burke, Corporate Chef for Meat and Livestock Australia. Today I'm going to show you some simple ways of creating food over fire. Why? Because it's liberating. It provides theatre, flavour and romance. Today, caramelised beef stir fry. Today we're going to use beef mince. Now beef mince has many variations: chuck, brisket, topside and trim. So we're using a mixture of all today for our lovely beef Vietnamese caramel stir fry. Add in the garlic, ginger, fish sauce, followed by the beef mince, season, then brown off in the wok. Today we're using the wok burner. It's perfect for family, events or festivals to give fierce flavour to your dish. Okay, we've taken our beef off the heat. Now we're going to add our brown sugar and our water back to the wok to make the sticky caramel. Then we're going to follow in with the vegetables and serve with the udon noodles and top with the cashew nuts. Out with the udon noodles, in with the beef mince, cashews, herbs, broccolini and snap peas. Mince is flavoursome, economical and versatile for all dishes. When I'm out and about, I'm always talking to chefs about the #1 cut to maximise yields, give flavour and enjoy customer happiness. And mince ticks all those boxes. Thanks for joining me. Sam Burke, MLA. Look forward to seeing you next time.